here. As we can see here, we've got the customer field, okay, product field, product table, and also the transaction table. If I would like to add one more measure, okay, for the product field over here. So what should we do? Okay, I would like to teach you the most traditional one first. Okay, let's go back to the manage over here. And over here, click the data wheel again. Okay, I would like to go to the product table. As you can see here, here is the product table. For the product table, can you see? For the product table in data wheel, we find that okay, our table are separate, our wheel are separate into two separate wheel. The first part is the data wheel, and the second part is something like this without the row number. What is this? What is this area called? Okay, just have a look over here. We call this area as the calculation area. If you don't believe on me, just click this. See, the calculation area disappear. If you click again the calculation area, then the calculation area appear again. So what is the use of calculation area? For the calculation area is for us to have some measures over here, to have some implicit measure over here. Okay, how to create some implicit measure? Okay, just have a look over here. Okay, if I click here over here, select this field. Basically, every cell under the calculation area can be used to create a new implicit measure. After I select this field, so I will type my formula over here inside the formula bar. Let's say I would like the new name of the new implicit measure as the what? As the total number of the retail price. Okay, the cost of the retail price. Okay, the cost of the retail price. So total retail price. The total of retail price. Okay, let's say like this. Remember the name of the measure, no space in between. And then after that, I press the colon and then press the equal sign. What does it mean? Colon equal, that means, okay, this measure has already been ready. And I will assign a formula to calculate this measure, the total retail. So what is the formula? FH, like this. FH what? And then after that, after we press the open bracket, we can select which field I would like to use. Over here, I would like to select the product's retail price, this field. What does it mean? I would like to use this field, the product retail price field, okay, to calculate the average. Just like this. I close to type the close bracket as well. So for this formula, what I'm going to do is to calculate the average of the what? Of the product retail price of this table. After that, I press enter. So what you can see here is the measure. As you can see here, the total, the average retail price, okay, is 2.117 over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, I have the one name. Okay, for the formula. Then what should I do? Very simple. Go to the field over here and say average retail. And then after that, okay, the measure will be named to average retail, just like this. If you would like to make more measures, okay, very simple. Do it again, okay. Another field, again, average underscore product cost, average cost, and colon equal to and average. Which field? TBL product cost. just like this, right? Close bracket, enter. Then altogether, we have already created two fields over here, right? Two measures over here. So what will happen, okay, in the pivot table? Just have a look. What happened in the pivot table? As I mentioned, okay, because over here, we have already created two measures under the TBL product. So for those measures under the TBL product, as you can see here, we have two additional fields over here. And these two fields called the FH retail and FH cost as well. And you can see a formula sign over here. That means they belongs to the implicit measure. That means that this measure is defined by ourselves by typing the formula, right?